This is how we install undermount sinks. It can be kind of tricky, and this method helps us do it faster. This sink was damaged, we're replacing it. We start by popping off the cabinet doors, just makes it easier, gives us more space so we don't damage them. And then shut the water off. Disconnect all of the plumbing attached to the sink underneath and get everything out of the way so you have room to remove the sink. This one has a garbage disposal. You might just have a standard P-trap. These are usually held up by little clips in the corners. This one has 4 clips in each corner. You just loosen them and turn them to the side so they don't hold the sink anymore. Lastly, just use a knife and clear out the silicone holding the sink up. The sink should then just pry out and carefully remove it. Here's the method we use. It involves 2 pieces of 2x4 and a clamp. We dry fit the sink, stick one end of the clamp down through the drain hole, and clamp it to the piece of 2x4 underneath the sink. This protects the sink. Once the sink is suspended by the clamp, apply a liberal amount of silicone to the top of the sink, and then raise the sink with the clamp. Once the sink is tight to the countertop, just center it, make sure it's positioned in the right spot, and wipe the excess silicone with a damp rag and your finger. Lastly, you need to tighten the clips that were holding the sink in underneath. You can tighten them with a screwdriver. Let it sit for a couple hours so the silicone can harden.